Hello everyone. In the last class we studied about whole numbers. The set of whole numbers starts from 0, 0, 1, 2 and so on. And we also understood what is the meaning of predecessor and successor. What is the meaning of predecessor? The previous number. Successor, next number. Now today let us study about the properties. Some of the properties with the whole numbers. First one, in the properties, we'll study about closure property. Closure property. What is the meaning of closure? It is closed. Right? Here in mathematics, what is closed? Suppose I say, if 2 belongs to W, the whole number is W, isn't it? 2 belongs to W. 3 belongs to W. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is also there in W. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That is also in W. That is what I say. Addition and multiplication. Addition is closed. Multiplication is closed. You understand? What is the meaning of addition? I say the set of whole numbers W is equal to, we wrote 0, 1, 2 and so on. If I say 10 belongs to W, belongs means 10 is there in W, and I can write down like this, belongs. Belongs means you belong to your family, like that. You understand? 10 belongs to W, 11 belongs to W. 10 plus 11, how much? 21. Also is there in W or also belongs to W. Then I say it is closed under addition. Suppose I say 10 belongs to W, 11 belongs to W. 10 minus 11. What is 10 minus 11? Minus 1. It is not there in the W. So it doesn't belong to W. So it is not closed under subtraction. It is closed under addition. Now let us see multiplication. 10 belongs to W, 11 belongs to W. 10 into 11. 10 11s are 110. It is there in W. So addition and multiplication is closed. Subtraction is not closed. Right? Subtraction is not closed. Let us see. 10 belongs to W, 11 belongs to W. 10 divided by 11. Is this type of number is there in W? No. So this is not closed under division. So I say the set of whole number is closed under addition and multiplication, but never with subtraction and division. As I say, you have to write down the notes. Tomorrow So in the next class, I'll teach you some other properties. So here, closure property. What is the closure property? In general, we say, if A belongs to W, B belongs to W, A plus B is equal to C also belongs to W. It is closed under addition. A into B is equal to C also belongs to W. But A minus B, every time it need not. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1 belongs to W. But 10 minus 11 does not belong to W. Right? So, whenever each and every number after these mathematical operations belongs to W, then only it is closed. Otherwise, it is not closed. 10 minus 11 minus 1 is not there in W. 10 divided by 11, that number is not there in W. So it is not closed under division. Is it clear? Now, I hope you understood what is the meaning of closure property. So, what is closure property? If A belongs to W, B belongs to W, A plus B is equal to C also belongs to W. A, you can take any number. I took 10. 10 plus 11, B is equal to 11. Is equal to C. Some other number only I am getting. 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. So I gave 3 numbers. Understand? 1 belongs to W, 5 belongs to W. 1 plus 5, 6 also belongs to W. Then it is closed under addition. 1 belongs to W. 5 belongs to W. 1 minus 5 minus 4 does not belong to W. So it is not closed under subtraction. 1 belongs to W. 5 belongs to W. 1 into 5. 5 ones are 5. Belongs to W. So it is closed under multiplication. Now 1 divided by 5 or 5 divided by 6, is it there? No, such type of numbers are not there in W. So it is not D. What is that? Closed under division. Everyone understand? Let me go to the next property. First one is closure property. Second one is commutative property. What is that? Commutative property. Let me explain what is commutative property. Now second one is commutative property. What is commutative property? It is very simple. I and you sit together. I can sit first and you can sit next to me. Or you can sit first, I can sit next to me. Just like that. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Rama and Duma are two persons sitting together. Either Rama can sit with Duma or Duma can sit with Rama. Isn't it? It is like that. A plus B is equal to B plus A. What is that? Commutative property. What is commutative property? For all. I write down C for all. What is this? For all. All means for all the numbers. For all A comma B belongs to W. How to read? For all A comma B belongs to W. As you grow, you should know how to use all these mathematical symbols. That is why I am teaching you like that. For all A comma B belongs to W, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Is it correct? 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 10, 15. Am I right? Yes. Now, what about subtraction? 5 minus 6. Is it equal? Is equal to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 5 minus 6. No, it is minus 1. Minus 1 cannot be equal to 1, right? So it is not closed under subtraction. What about multiplication? 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. 12 13s are 156. 13 12s are 156. Understand? 6 7s are 42, 7 6 are 42. 8 9s are 72, 9 8s are 72. 11 12s are 132, 12 11s are 132. You understand? All these are the examples for commutative property with respect to multiplication. So I can write down A into B is equal to B into A. So I can say the set of whole numbers is, what is that? Whole stood for, what is that? Commutative property with respect to addition and multiplication. Is it true with the subtraction? No. Now what about division? What is 5 divided by 6 and 5 divided by 6 and 6 divided by 5? Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So I can say commutative property holds good with respect to addition and multiplication, but never with subtraction and division. Understand? What is commutative property? For all A comma B belongs to W. Addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. You understand? Now, next property is associative property. Which is that? Associative property. Let me explain that. Third one is associative property. First one is closure property. It is closed. If 1 belongs to W, 2 belongs to W, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is also in W. That is. Commutative property, A plus B is equal to B plus A. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. That is commutative. Associative property. Three elements. What are those three elements? I can write on. See, what is this symbol? For all. For all A, comma, B, comma, C belongs to W. You should know to write and also to read maths. For all A, comma, B, comma, C belongs to W, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. But only difference in the bracket. If you put the bracket for the last two, here for the first two. Now tell me what is the meaning of putting the bracket? Whatever is there in the bracket you simplify first. Right? Let us see whether it is correct or wrong. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5. I put the bracket here. I put the bracket here. Now 3 plus bracket means you have to simplify that first. 4 plus 5, 9. Is it equal? 3 plus 4 how much? 7 plus 5. So 3 plus 9, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. Are they equal? Yes. So commutative property holds good just like commutative property. Associative property also holds good with respect to what is that? Associative property is correct in the set of whole numbers. Right? What about subtraction? No. What about multiplication? Multiplication also it is correct. So what is this? 3. Suppose if I write out 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 3 into 4 into 5. Only difference in putting the bracket. If you put for the last two here for the first two, be careful. You are writing in the same order in the associative property. Only the difference in the bracket. If you put to the last two, here for the first two. In my question, can I put for the first two and here at the last two? Yes. As you want, you can do. But write down the numbers in the same sequence. That is important. So 3 into, what is 4 5s are 20. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 3 20s are 60. 12 5s are 60. So they are equal. So in the set of whole numbers, associative property also holds. You understand? In the set of whole numbers, commutative property holds good with respect to addition and multiplication. In the set of whole numbers, associative property also holds good with respect to addition and multiplication. Now, which is the additive identity? What is the meaning of identity? If you add that number, the value of that number should not change. 2 plus what is 2? 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus what is 5? 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 0 is called additive identity. What is additive identity? 0. 5 into dash is 5. 5 into dash is 5. What is that? 5 into 1 is 5. So, which is a multiplicative identity? 1. So, third property is associative property. Fourth property is 0 is additive identity. And fifth one is 1 is multiplicative identity. You understand? So, you understood closure property, commutative property, associative property. 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. When you operate with that identity, its value should not change. 5 plus dash is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. So, 0 is called additive identity. 5 into dash is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5. So, 1 is a multiplicative identity. Did you all understand? After this, let me work out some of the problems in whatever is given in your text. Take out your page number 36. First one they have given example 1. Add the numbers 234, 197 and 103. Right? They say you add making it simple. Normally what do you do? 234 plus 197 plus 102. Right? I do like this. I can do it in a simple way. Here 97 is there, here 3 is there. So if I put the bracket for these two, it will be simple. 197 plus 197, 207, 297, 300. 234 plus 300, how much? 534. It is easier. See, it is easier than this. That's what they expect. Now, why we are studying all these, properties? To make your work simple. To make you to understand better. See, you can do like this also, but as such, within 1 second, if you want to solve, I can do 197 plus 103 together. 297, 300, 300 plus 234, 534. I can need not write down 3 plus 7, 10 plus 4. Understand? Yes. Now example 2. Find 14 plus 17 plus 6 in 2 ways. What is the meaning of writing 2 ways? First you put the bracket for the first 2. Then you put the bracket for the next 2. That is what they expect. So, here first 2 you put, here you put next 2. What is the meaning of putting the bracket for the first 2? That is what is there in the bracket. You have to simplify first. 14 plus 17 is 31. 31 plus 6, how much? 37. Now let us see. 17 plus 6, 23. 23, 14 plus 23, 37. Are they equal? Yes. That is the answer given. Now, example 3. Find 12 into 35. Okay. One more property I forgot. So, here I can use that. What is that property? Called distributive property. What is that called? Distributive property. According to that, A into B plus C. How to read? A. If you put into sign, you can put. Otherwise, you need not put also. Is equal to A into B plus A into C. What is that property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. If there is plus sign is in between, A into B plus A into C. Suppose there was minus sign, what you would do? Answer A into B minus A into C. Right? Now, their question is like this, distributive property. So, in the list you have to write down this also, distributive property. Now, what is the question they have given? Find 12 into 35. See, instead of doing like that, what they want is 12 into 30 plus 5. They think that it is simple. 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. Then it is easier. What is 12 3s are 36. 1 0 is there. 12 5s are 16. 360 plus 60, 420. Very easily you can get the answer. If you know the table 12 also you can do. But using any property if you want to do, 12 into 35 you write down as 30 plus 5. You understand? Because you know 12 into 30, you know how to multiply. 12 3s are 36. If there is 1 0, you have to put 1 0. If there is 12 into 300, 2 zeros, then you could have put 2 zeros. But here only 1 0. 36, 1 0. 60 plus 60, 420. Did you all understand? Let us go to the example 4. Find 8 into 1769 into 125. As soon as I get this number, I may have in my mind why they have given 3 numbers. But it is very simple. Look at these numbers clearly. 8 into 1769 into 125. You can multiply any 2 numbers first and then you can multiply with the third number. See, suppose if I multiply 8 into 125 and then I multiply with 1769, it will be easier. 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 22, 8 1s are 8,000. Correct? Into 1769. Now it is easy. What is the answer? 1769. After that 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. See how easily you got the answer. Did you understand? 8 into 125 you did first. You got 1000 into 1769. So what is the answer you gave? 1 into 1769, 1769, 3 zeros. Understand? So what is this number? Can you tell me? 17,69,000. So easily we did within a fraction of second, isn't it? So if you are little quick, you can do very fast. Come on. Which is the next one? So you go to example 5. What is the example 5? Can you look at that? The school canteen charges rupees 20 for lunch and rupees 4 for milk for each day. How much money do you spend in 5 days on these things? The question is like this. The school canteen charges rupees 20 for lunch and rupees 4 for milk for each day. How much money do you spend in 5 days? What is the statement you can write down? Let us read. A school canteen charges rupees 20 for lunch and rupees 2 for milk for each day. You have to write down the statements. How will you write down the statement? The cost of a lunch, rupees 20. Cost of a lunch in a canteen, rupees 20. Cost of a milk, rupees 4. Therefore, cost per day you can find out. How much? 20. So therefore, expenditure or cost, if you spend expenditure per day, how much? 20 plus 4. Right? How much? 24. Therefore, how much money do you spend? So, expenditure in 5 days is 24 into 5. How much? 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10, 12. Rupees 120. That is what they have done. Cost of the lunch, cost of the milk. So, they have done cost of milk together, cost of, you can do like this also, this will be simple. So expenditure per day, 20 plus 4, 24, therefore for 4 days, 5 days, 24 into 5, 120. Am I right? Now, second question is, find 12 into 35 using distributive property. 12 into 35. How can you use the distributive property? 12 into 30 plus 5. It is easy you see. 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. 12 3s are 36, 360 plus 12 5s are 60, 420. Am I right? Yes. So, example 7. What is that? 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. Very easily you can do this. 126 here is here as well as here. So you take out 126 into, here what is remain? 55 plus 126 is taken out. What is remain? 45. So 126 into 55 plus 45. How much? 100 is equal to 12600. This is the answer. See how complicated it was looking, and very easily you can find out these answers. So you can see and do exercise 2.2. Very easy method. What is the first one? Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. You see, I'll give you the hint. 837 and 363 you take together. B. 1962, 1538 you can take together. 453 and 647 you can take together. Like that only you think of product. 2 and 50 together. 250 is 100 and then 1768. 4 into 25 you can take together into 166. 8 into 125 you can take together into 291. 625 into 16 you can multiply first into 279. 5 into 60 first and then 285. 125 into 8 first, 40 into 25 next, and you can multiply together. Like that only, very easily you can do this exercise 2.2. So, I hope you understood how to do. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. So, thank you children.